When it comes to tackling repairs and maintenance tasks, having a reliable and comprehensive mechanic tool set is essential. Whether you're a professional mechanic or simply an avid DIY enthusiast, investing in the best mechanic tool set can significantly simplify your work and ensure efficiency and reduce maintenance costs. That's why I have compiled this video with the best 5 mechanic tool sets currently available. So, watch the full video and check the links given in the description for updated prices and information. Number 1 is LLNDEI 1/4" drive impact socket set. A reliable and durable tool designed for handling high levels of torque. Made from drip forged and heat-treated chrome vanadium steel, the socket set is built to withstand even the toughest tasks. The 6-point hex socket design helps prevent round-off on nuts and bolts, providing a secure grip during use. With its exceptional strength and precision engineering, this drive impact socket set is an indispensable addition to any professional or DIY toolbox. Number 2 is Egofine 46 pieces 1/4" drive socket ratchet wrench set. It is a versatile and reliable tool set that is perfect for any professional or DIY enthusiast. Engineered with premium quality chrome vanadium steel alloy, the set ensures exceptional strength and durability, making it ideal for heavy-duty use. One of the standout features of this wrench set is its mirror chrome-plated finish. This finish not only adds an aesthetically pleasing touch but also enhances the tool's ability to resist wear and tear. With 21 pieces of bit sockets included in the set, you'll have a wide range of options to tackle various jobs. These bit sockets are designed to accommodate different screw sizes, allowing you to handle different tasks with ease. Whether you're working on small appliances or larger machinery, this socket set has got you covered. This wrench set is suitable for both professionals and home enthusiasts alike. Whether you're a mechanic, carpenter, electrician, or even just someone who loves working on DIY projects around the house, this comprehensive socket set will definitely come in handy. Number 3 is Neiko 3x8" drive colored mechanics tool ratchet set. The Neiko 76-piece socket wrench set is a versatile and durable ratchet and socket kit that offers both metric and SAE sizes. Made with chrome vanadium steel, each piece in this set is designed to resist corrosion and provide long-lasting performance. The set includes a variety of socket sizes, allowing users to tackle different projects with ease. With its comprehensive range of tools, this set provides the flexibility needed for various applications. Whether you are working on automotive repairs, construction projects, or DIY tasks, the Neiko socket wrench set has got you covered. Its high-quality construction ensures reliable performance and durability over time. Invest in this ratchet set to have all the essential tools at your disposal and experience the convenience of having both metric and SAE sizes in one comprehensive kit. Number 4 is the DEKOPRO 218-piece General Household Hand Toolkit. This 218-piece General Household Hand Toolkit is a comprehensive set that includes a wide range of tools for various home repairs and projects. This kit is forged from high-strength impact-grade chrome vanadium steel sockets and high-quality steel with an oxide layer on the surface, providing superior strength and durability. The inclusion of chrome vanadium steel ensures that the sockets can withstand high torque applications, making them suitable for demanding tasks. With 218 pieces, this toolkit covers a broad spectrum of needs, including screwdrivers, wrenches, pliers, and more. The variety of tools makes it suitable for both professional contractors and DIY enthusiasts. The tools are organized in a sturdy carrying case for easy storage and transportation. Number 5 is KingTool 325-piece home repair toolkit. The KingTool 325-piece home repair toolkit is an all-in-one solution for general home and auto repairs. With a wide array of tools, this kit is perfect for homeowners, dyers, and handymen alike. The set comes in a toolbox storage case with a convenient drawer for easy organization. This comprehensive toolkit includes everything you need to tackle various tasks around the house. It features high-quality tools made from durable materials to ensure long-lasting performance. The set includes a variety of wrenches, pliers, screwdrivers, hammer, tape measure, utility knife, and more. The toolbox storage case not only keeps your tools organized but also makes it easy to transport them whenever needed. The drawer provides additional storage space for smaller tools or accessories. Whether you're fixing a leaky faucet, assembling furniture, performing automotive repairs, or working on DIY projects, the KingTool 325-piece home repair toolkit has got you covered. This versatile toolset offers convenience and reliability for any repair or maintenance job that comes your way.